Hello everyone, welcome back to the Cathay Pacific Fleet Updates channel here with me, Roberto Monco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. And today, we will be talking about a Cathay Pacific Airbus A330-300 that flew to Xiamen for maintenance, as well as the other one returning from Xiamen for maintenance. So this aircraft is registered as Bravo Hotel Yankee Quebec, and then she took her flight number 63820 with a great zero distance of 406 kilometers, actual flight time 1 hour and 4 minutes, and a track of 70 degrees as you can see it here. This aircraft was previously the first Cathay Dragon and A330 in the new livery back in early 2016 prior to the rebranding. Before 5 years prior to the aircraft the closure of Cathay Dragon because of the pandemic. So this aircraft took off at 5:36 a.m. local time, and then in Hong Kong, and then she landed at 6:40 a.m. local time in Xiamen. She took off at the mid runway in Hong Kong and then landed at runway 05 in Xiamen. So let's proceed to the next aircraft. So this is a fellow aircraft. So this is another A330-300. She's registered first as Bravo Hotel Yankee India. She took her flight number 63821 as you can see it here, with a great circle distance of 496 kilometers, actual flight time 52 minutes, and track 109 degrees and a ground speed 6 kiloknots as you can see it here. She took off at runway 07 at 12:30 a.m. local time in Xiamen. Then she landed at the northern runway at 1:22 a.m. local time in Hong Kong. She's also formerly operated by Cathay Dragon, just like her fellow aircraft, Bravo Hotel Yankee Quebec, who flew to Xiamen this morning. And Bravo Hotel Yankee India will most likely go back to service, just like her fellow aircraft, Bravo Hotel Yankee Go, who was stored there for a year. So for the details of these aircrafts, kindly check the previous videos about Bravo Hotel Yankee India and Quebec. So that's a wrap for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Hope to see you guys in the next update, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below, as well as the bell icon next to it for more upcoming updates like this one. All by me, Roberto Monco Ignacio, and my friend from Toronto, Canada, Austin Rafael Hui. Bye guys, and see you on the next update.